Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Thai ebook before it's gone.
First word คุณหล่อ you're handsome, but don't overdo it or don't keep saying it so that it won't look like you are too flirtatious toward the guy. Be cool, be hard to get kind of girl. คุณเก่ง you're smart, but this word is a bit complicated. Like in English, it means you're smart, but you're smart, it kind of give you the feeling that you're smart from your thinking, like you need to use your head. But actually, this phrase คุณเก่ง it means that you're good at something. So it can mean that you're good at sports, you're good at music, you're good at mathematics or anything at all. So คุณเก่ง can be used in many circumstances. คุณเป็นเพื่อนที่ดีมาก You're an awesome friend. I would love to hear that from my friends. I would love to be an awesome person, an awesome friend. Yeah. So for me to tell people that he or she is an awesome friend, I think it requires I like people who always give time for me or love to go out and have dinner together. That's just my type of awesome friends. คุณสวยจากภายในมากกว่าภายนอกซะอีก Your inside is even more beautiful than your outside. I know it's a bit cheesy. You normally don't hear it in daily conversation or in your everyday life. Maybe you hear it from the movie or read it from the book or from a letter. I think it's the same in Thai as well. It's a bit cheesy. People don't usually say it out. No? Yeah, but it's good to hear. I mean, yeah, it's a good phrase. ทำได้เยี่ยมมาก Great job. If you can't remember the phrase, you can shorten it by saying เยี่ยมมาก You can use this one with anything at all. It's like if your kid did a good job in anything at all, like sport or academic or I don't know, you can just say เยี่ยมมาก Great job. คุณใส่เสื้อตัวนั้นขึ้นนะ That jacket looks nice on you. I feel like people have a certain color that looks nice on them. So let's say that I always look good in black. I would say ฉันใส่เสื้อสีดำขึ้นนะรอยยิ้มของคุณสวย Your smile is beautiful. Is my smile beautiful? Okay, I'm a bit shy now. Yes, I know that some of you might think that it's a bit too cheesy or you normally don't say it. So if you want to compliment a person that their smile is nice, you can say like คุณยิ้มสวยนะ You have a nice smile to make it less cheesy. คุณดูสวยมาก You look gorgeous. You look gorgeous. It's always good, girls, we always love to hear people saying this to us. Whether it's true or not, it's just a great phrase to hear. คุณทำให้ฉันอยากเป็นคนที่ดีกว่าเดิม You make me want to be a better person. Normally it's from a guy, right? I mean, like from your boyfriend. If he say this to you, then maybe you're the one or something. I don't know. Yeah. คุณเป็นคนมีอารมณ์ขัน You have a good sense of humor. I love people who have a good sense of humor because I love to laugh. อารมณ์เสีย to upset อารมณ์เสีย to upset เกิดอะไรขึ้นอะอะไรทำให้เธออารมณ์เสีย What happened What make you upset คือแฟนเราบอกว่ามาไม่ได้อีกแล้วอะ My boyfriend just said that he couldn't come again เจ็บ to hurt เจ็บ to hurt เป็นอะไรไหมอะใครทำให้เธอเจ็บ Are you alright Who hurt you เหงา to feel lonely เหงา to feel lonely ฉันเหงา I feel lonely เศร้า to feel sad เศร้า to feel sad ฉันเศร้า I feel sad มีความทุกข์ to suffer มีความทุกข์ to suffer เขามีความทุกข์ he is suffering if you can't remember the phrase มีความทุกข์ you can just shorten it as ทุกข์ for example if I want to say that I am suffering I will say ฉันทุกข์ that's all people will understand as well ร้องไห้ to cry ร้องไห้ to cry น้องชายกำลังร้องไห้ My brother is crying ผิดหวัง to be disappointed ผิดหวัง to be disappointed เป็นอะไรหรือเปล่า What happened ฉันผิดหวังกับความรัก I'm disappointed in love ไม่มีความสุข to be unhappy ไม่มีความสุข to be unhappy ฉันไม่มีความสุข I am unhappy for this word ไม่มีความสุข ไม่มี means don't have something and ความสุข means happiness so literally it means like you don't have happiness so together it means that you are not happy you are unhappy so if you want to say like you're happy then you would say มีความสุข just delete the word ไม่ in front and it becomes you are happy มีความสุข เสียใจ to be sorry เสียใจ to be sorry ฉันเสียใจมาก I am very sorry this word เสียใจ means sorry but there are other meanings as well so you can use this word if you feel sorry or sad or guilty or disappointed so let's say that you're doing something wrong and you're guilty so you can say it like ฉันเสียใจ I'm sorry or if you're disappointed in something you can also use ฉันเสียใจ at that situation as well หดหู่ to be depressed หดหู่ to be depressed เขากำลังหดหู่ he is depressed I think when we are getting older we are prone to be depressed somehow like for me when I write my thesis and I have to be with myself for a whole week I get depressed sometimes but and I don't think it's a good thing to feel or to be so when I get depressed normally I call my friends and I ask my friends to go out with me to meet more people that's something that I do when I get depressed how about you ฉันเห็นด้วยกับคุณอย่างยิ่ง I couldn't agree with you more ฉันเห็นด้วยกับคุณอย่างยิ่ง I couldn't agree with you more actually the word อย่างยิ่ง means very we use it when we write but when we say it it's a bit too formal so you can to make it more natural you can say ฉันเห็นด้วยกับคุณมากๆ that would also means the same thing แน่นอน of course แน่นอน of course well แน่นอน sure of course would do if you really agree with someone then you use this word ฉันกำลังจะพูดเลย I was just going to say that ฉันกำลังจะพูดเลย I was just going to say that พรุ่งนี้หยุดเราไปเที่ยวกันไหม Tomorrow is a holiday should we go somewhere ฉันกำลังจะพูดเลย I was just going to say that ใช่ คุณพูดถูก Yes you're right ใช่ คุณพูดถูก Yes you're right ฉันว่าปลอกมือถือสีดำเนี่ยสวยกว่าสีขาวนะ I think a black phone case is nicer than the white one ใช่ คุณพูดถูก Yes you're right คุณผิดแล้ว You're wrong คุณผิดแล้ว You're wrong ฉันว่าปลอกมือถือสีดำสวยกว่าสีขาวนะ I think the black phone case is nicer than the white one Do you think so คุณผิดแล้ว ฉันว่าสีขาวสวยกว่านะ You're wrong I think the white one is nicer ฉันไม่คิดอย่างนั้นนะ I don't think so ฉันไม่คิดอย่างนั้นนะ I don't think so ฉันคิดว่าเราควรจะลงทุนในที่ดินมากกว่าไปลงทุนในสต็อกนะ I think we should invest in real estate rather than stocks ไม่อ่ะ ฉันไม่คิดอย่างนั้น No I don't think so อาจจะ maybe อาจจะ maybe พรุ่งนี้ไปเที่ยวด้วยกันไหม Do you wanna hang out tomorrow อาจจะนะ maybe you know what like this if a girl said maybe probably is a no ฉันไม่เห็นด้วย I don't agree no ฉันไม่เห็นด้วย I don't agree no นี่เธอเห็นด้วยไหมว่าเราควรจะไปญี่ปุ่นตอนวันสงกรานต์กันนะ Hey do you agree that we should go to Japan during สงกรานต์ฉันไม่เห็นด้วยนะ ฉันอยากอยู่บ้าน I don't agree no I want to stay home ฉันเห็นด้วย I agree ฉันเห็นด้วย I agree you know what like in Thai normally we can just omit the subject so if you agree you don't need to say the full sentence as in ฉันเห็นด้วย you just say เห็นด้วย or ไม่เห็นด้วย when you agree or don't agree and that is enough จริงด้วย that's true จริงด้วย that's true ปีนี้เราต้องเก็บเงินสร้างบ้านนะเลยไม่อยากไปญี่ปุ่น This year we have to save up for our house so that's why I don't want to go to Japan จริงด้วย that's true คุณสบายดีไหม How are you Okay the first one the question that everyone has already known I guess คุณสบายดีไหม How are you You know that in Thai sometimes we don't need to say the subject of a sentence we just cut the subject away so it could be just สบายดีไหม and if you are a girl then just add ค่ะ at the end so it would be คุณสบายดีไหมคะ or สบายดีไหมคะ and if you are a guy then it would be คุณสบายดีไหมครับ or สบายดีไหมครับแล้วคุณล่ะคะ and you แล้วคุณล่ะคะ and you this is for girls because it has a ka at the end the particle ka at the end if it's a guy it would be แล้วคุณล่ะครับ and you ช่วงนี้คุณเป็นอย่างไรบ้าง how have you been recently ช่วงนี้คุณเป็นอย่างไรบ้าง how have you been recently สบายดีค่ะ I'm fine สบายดีค่ะ I'm fine or สบายดีครับ I'm fine for guys ก็ไม่แย่ I'm not bad ก็ไม่แย่ I'm not bad it's not that bad yeah I'm okay it's that kind of feeling ฉันก็สบายดี I'm fine too ฉันก็สบายดี I'm fine too like I said that you can just drop the subject anytime if you want so it could be ก็สบายดี ฉันก็สบายดี ผมก็สบายดี ฉันง่วง I'm sleepy ฉันง่วง I'm sleepy this is an easy one though you can use this phrase as a response when people ask if you're like how are you to you like in the morning or maybe after lunch and you feel very sleepy but be careful who you use this response to so if it's your boss then you wouldn't want to say something like this ฉันรู้สึกไม่ดี I'm feeling bad ฉันรู้สึกไม่ดี I'm feeling bad this phrase รู้สึกไม่ดี feeling bad it could mean both physically and emotionally it's like if someone did something to you so like did something bad to you and you feel bad about what he did then you could say it or maybe you feel sick or you like you are physically weak you can also use this phrase ฉันโอเค I'm okay ฉันโอเค I'm okay I think this is the easiest if you people ask you how are you you just simply say you can simply say okay I'm okay okay นะ ขอบคุณ thank you ขอบคุณ thank you and as always don't forget to put a particle a polite particle at the end to make it more polite ขอบคุณค่ะ or ขอบคุณครับ okay and that's the end today we are done with 10 responses to how are you as always don't forget to subscribe our channel like this video and visit our website at thaipod101.com let me know how you feel in the comment below and see you next time bye bye